Hey everyone, get ready because the wait is over. OpenAI has just unleashed GPT-5, and for anyone involved in creating content, especially scripts for courses or training videos, this isn't just an update, it's a complete game changer. I've spent time exploring its capabilities, and what I've found will transform how you approach AI-assisted content creation forever. GPT-5 represents OpenAI's most significant leap in AI technology. Unlike previous models where you chose specialized versions, GPT-5 intelligently combines all capabilities into one unified system. It automatically determines the processing level your task needs. This means no more guessing which model to use. Ask a simple question, and it's lightning fast. Request a complex script, and it seamlessly switches to deeper thinking modes, all without you lifting a finger. Let's talk numbers. In head-to-head tests, GPT-5 consistently outperformed GPT-4 by 30 to 50% in speed for typical content creation tasks. Simple queries that took 6 to 11 seconds now complete in 3 to 5 seconds. But speed isn't just about saving time, it's about accelerating your creative workflow. Imagine drafting multiple script variations in minutes, not hours. GPT-5 brings several powerful features directly to your script writing process. These enhancements make it an indispensable tool for students and educators alike. Gone is the decision fatigue of choosing an AI model. GPT-5's unified approach automatically allocates the right processing power. Whether it's a quick hook or a comprehensive 2,000-word script, it adapts intelligently. GPT-5 shows remarkable improvement in creative tasks. It intuitively understands what makes content engaging, often adding creative elements you didn't explicitly request. This means more natural hooks and better storytelling flow for your educational content. One of the biggest frustrations with previous models was losing context during longer projects. GPT-5 maintains context brilliantly across extended conversations. It remembers your style, audience, and project details throughout the entire script development. GPT-5 demonstrates sophisticated understanding of different content formats and audiences. It automatically adjusts tone, complexity, and structure based on your specifications. This is perfect for tailoring educational content to specific learning levels. I've put GPT-5 through extensive testing across various content types and complexities. The results are truly impressive, especially for script creation. For basic script requests, GPT-5 delivered impressive speed improvements while maintaining quality. Simple YouTube intro scripts now complete in 3 to 4 seconds with comparable or better creative elements. This is ideal for quick video assignments or short lesson intros. The real test came with complex requests. GPT-5 didn't just fulfill basic requirements, it enhanced them with features that weren't explicitly requested. For script writing, this means AI that actively improves your content with better hooks and engaging transitions. GPT-5 excels at technical content creation. When generating scripts for tech reviews or educational content, it demonstrates a better understanding of complex concepts. It balances complexity and clarity more effectively, making difficult topics accessible. Extended script projects, 2,000 plus words, revealed GPT-5's superior context management. Unlike earlier models, GPT-5 maintains consistent quality and coherent structure throughout lengthy scripts. This is crucial for detailed lectures or multi-part training series. A comprehensive test using a viral YouTube script prompt showcased GPT-5's potential. It created an excellent hook, demonstrated structural intelligence, provided value-driven content, and maintained strong audience awareness. This highlights its ability to craft compelling narratives. Beyond core improvements, GPT-5 introduces features that deepen its utility. These are particularly beneficial for refining your scripts. GPT-5 includes explicit thinking capabilities. For complex script requests, it indicates thinking longer for a better answer. This represents deeper processing, resulting in more thoughtful and comprehensive content. While text-focused, GPT-5 shows improved understanding of how written content translates to other formats. Scripts created with GPT-5 often include implicit awareness of visual elements and pacing for spoken delivery. GPT-5 demonstrates significant improvement in factual accuracy and logical consistency. While no AI is perfect, it shows reduced hallucination and better fact-checking capabilities compared to previous versions. The best part? All ChatGPT users, including free accounts, get access to GPT-5. Free users receive 8 to 10 requests per day using the most powerful version, then switch to GPT-5 Mini. The $20 a month ChatGPT Plus subscription provides full access to GPT-5 with advanced reasoning. For serious content creators, students working on major projects, or educators developing extensive courses, this represents exceptional value. Considering traditional scriptwriting services can cost hundreds, GPT-5's subscription pays for itself quickly. GPT-5 is incredibly versatile for educational and training purposes. It can streamline content creation across many formats. GPT-5 excels at creating YouTube scripts with proper pacing, engagement hooks, and platform-specific optimization, perfect for student presentations or educational channels. Training videos, course scripts, and educational content benefit immensely from GPT-5's ability to structure information logically. It helps maintain audience engagement throughout longer presentations. Short-form content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram benefits from GPT-5's ability to distill complex ideas into engaging, bite-sized scripts. Ideal for quick learning snippets or project showcases. To get the most out of GPT-5, adopt these advanced techniques. They will help you craft even better, more tailored scripts. Build complex scripts through conversation rather than single massive prompts. Start with general requirements, then refine specific sections through iterative requests. Provide examples of your preferred writing style in initial prompts. GPT-5's improved context retention allows it to maintain a consistent voice throughout extended projects. Use GPT-5's conversational nature for real-time script improvement. Request specific changes, tone adjustments, or content additions as you review generated material. While GPT-5 is impressive, human oversight remains crucial. Always remember these best practices for optimal results. Always fact-check specific claims, especially for academic or technical content. Maintain your unique creative voice and ensure cultural sensitivity. Provide detailed, specific prompts and always review and edit all generated content. GPT-5 is more than an incremental improvement. It's a fundamental shift in content creation capabilities. For students and educators, this means a powerful tool to amplify your creativity and efficiency. It handles structure and initial content, freeing you to focus on strategy, unique perspectives, and audience connection. The question isn't whether you should use GPT-5 for script writing. It's how quickly you can integrate it into your learning and teaching workflow. Start experimenting today. Explore its capabilities for your next presentation, course module, or training video. The future of collaborative human AI workflows is here, and it's incredibly powerful. What will you create with it?